fire of child marriage even before they were born.
This was especially in rural communities where girl child were forced to marry at an early age.
The Indian government has been fighting discrimination against daughters and sons,
as well as crimes against them since the independence of the country.
But today, on 24th January, we celebrate the National Day of the Girl Child,
to raise awareness about the need of empowering the daughters of the country.
Today, let's reimagine an equal world where every girl can be included as
a change maker,
a world shaker,
a future shaper.
give her life, invest in her education,
Raise her as an equal.
and love her unconditionally. Let's come together
and spread awareness about girl child.
and
Happy National Girl Child Day.